Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Here let's scroll down and find apps, and now let's tap on this three dots icon. Here at the very bottom of the list we've got reset app preferences option, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you what the reset includes. So it will reset disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and permission restrictions. What's more, you won't lose any existing app data, so if you are ready, click on reset. And this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.